we're on our way across country.
Camp Margaritaville, honey.
Now I know why they call it the Smoky Mountains.
We just showed you the beautiful Smokies,
And a pit barbecue.
along with some local customs before heading to Redbud.
Redbud! Redbud!
Then it was time to continue on to Missouri's Lake of the Ozarks, where we'll be exploring today.
Think you got this?
Yeah, we're figuring it out.
Come along as we boat this popular destination. Let's do it.
So did he tell you about the pirate ship?
Yep.
Want to head in there?
Yep.
See what it's all about?
Yep.
Well, this is new. Trying out a pontoon boat. We've got this. Let's dock this thing.
It's a brand new day.
We're going bar hopping, lake style. What better way to see it all?
Ready?
After tying it off, it was time for a cold one. Well, for Jeremiah, that is. I'm here for the food.
What's the name of that boat?
Calypso.
Ah, how cool is that?
Hey, here's a good sign.
Calypso. What do you think about that?
Well, it must have been the old boat named Calypso.
Yeah, this is Calypso's sister ship.
We're normally traveling on our very own Calypso. Seeing one of her sister ships was cool.
She's sporting pirate flags just like Calypso does.
Yes.
Well, that was our first little venture on a pontoon. That was exhilarating, wasn't it?
Pretty simple.
22 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Flying up in this
Docking
mug.
went great. There's no current.
Yeah, no current,
Pretty fast for us because we live on a catamaran.
but fun. Look at this place.
Our first stop was at Jolly Roger's Grub and Grog, a spot with a pirate vibe, and that's right up our alley.
What are you Oh, that's good.
There I go again, eating for two. But hey, when in Rome.
So what do you guys think? 1 through 5 stars. How was that stop?
5.
5. They did a little treasure hunt for Reese. They had a cold beer and yeah, and
food
yummy
for me.
tacos. Yeah, it was good.
It was
I had
really
tacos
good.
too. Yeah.
I say we stop anywhere that can satisfy food, drink, experience for
Boom.
him.
Hey.
We're golden.
Let's get a picture with Calypso.
Yes.
You think our Calypso is gonna get a little jealous?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It was about a 30-minute motor to the next spot, and it was pretty. At each marina, there are dock hands to help you land your boat, which is nice.
Get on your feet, these sights to see.
Nice looking vessel you have there,
Oh, thanks.
I must say.
It's a little beat up, but what I've been doing is kind of looking on my phone, and then I go like Google reviews, look at the pictures, and kind of see like, okay, that'd be cool. There's RVs all around here. I don't know if you
RV
noticed.
park.
And
Oh yeah,
it's
way
a
up there on the
marina.
hill. Yeah, cool.
Very nice.
Let's see if we get some tacos
We already had tacos.
or whatever.
We were excited. Let's check out the Lakeside Grill House.
We got sent to the timeout section.
What section?
Timeout for kids.
The adults and kids section.
Yeah, the adults and kids section.
what we were going to.
It looked really, really nice, but swim up bar, which is perfect, but they don't allow kids. So we came inside. Lisa and I are sharing a virgin strawberry daiquiri. Cheers, me.
Okay, it looked cool, but the no kid rule kinda sucked. So we'll give it 3 stars for now, until we come back kid-free. What do you think goes on there? Intriguing.
You guys gonna check out the water?
One, two, 3, go.
This is Frank and Louie's Beachfront Bar and Grill. The cool thing here is the beach and lagoon. I was able to try out my new bikini.
First time.
Yeah.
It's awesome, right?
Yeah, how do you like it? How's it feel?
It's so comfortable.
Is it?
Yeah, it feels good. And the material, feel it. It's thick.
Yeah, it's nice.
What a feel.
Oh yeah, it is nice.
I mean, you have
It's
to be
probably see
tan.
it's gotta be see-through when you get away.
Oh no.
It's gotta be.
The booty says it's a lifestyle.
Yeah.
It's all about that lifestyle, baby. We'll easily give this one 5 stars. Before long, it was time to motor on. We've made our way pretty far down the lake, so we decided to head back towards our area and stop at Coconuts, enjoying the sights along the way. Coconuts by the Lake is just under our RV park. We've been eyeing this one up since arriving, so it was time to see what it was all about.
Last stop was Coconuts. So what do you think of lake life?
I like it. I can see myself doing this like 20 years from now. How about you?
I think it's pretty cool. You're not dealing with like currents and extremely high wakes or waves, whatever you want to talk about. Like, it's much easier to boat here. I don't think that you should get a really nice boat. I think you should get something you're okay with getting bumped into, because already today I've seen jet skis hit boats, boats hit boats, people jump on boats. It's like, you gotta get something that you're okay with that happening to. But I like it. I like how you can hop around and you get like a little bit of like a Key West feel at one place, and then a water park at another place, and there's so many options to eat and drink and be social, so I think it's pretty neat, and it goes on forever. All right, let's do it.
Go up there, you gotta give me a thumbs up, okay?
All right.
This one easily gets 5 stars from us.
Is that one your favorite?
Yeah.
Good job. High five. Well, it's 6 o'clock now. We've been out for 7 hours. Got a little bit of redness on our skins, which is nice. The little baby got a little sun too. I can feel it. Pretty successful day. A little worn out. Definitely, we got a little bit of everything in there. We even had to do a recovery of the hat, the captain's hat over there.
Yep. Swab didn't do his duties.
That's because I'm not a swab.
He had one thing to do.
It's because I'm not a swab and he calls me a swab, so that's good.
What are you? Oh, he's the
You're
co-captain.
co-captain.
Co-captain told that hats fly out.
I thought that was great because I was at the helm and we did a little man overboard rescue. I got to, navigate
With a drone flying.
with a drone flying. So it was kind of perfect timing. Hopefully we caught it on the drone footage.
Before heading home, we anchored in the shallows. Reese got to swim while Mom and Dad enjoyed some quiet time on the water. It was time to head back to the dock and get settled in for the night.
What's the deal with this place?
It was one man's dream in, I think, 1902 to build a castle like this. So he started building it, and then a year later, before it was finished, he died in a car accident. So his sons finished it for him, and then 20 years after his sons finished it, it was burned down.
It says that all the stones were brought up here by mules from the quarry. That's a lot of rock.
Today, we wanted to check out some of the sights on land.
Check those stairs out.
We enjoy hiking, so off to the natural bridge we went.
Well, life has nearly killed me and my mind is...
So this is the natural bridge. It is 100 feet high, 60 feet in length, 70 feet wide.
Let's make our mark.
Mind has put me on the edge.
Reese, let's get out of here before this thing collapses.
We had one more thing we wanted to see before we roll
What do you
on.
think's down here?
I'm gonna go with water.
Yeah. We always gravitate to the water, it seems.
That's true. And this place has a lot of water. We wanted to see what was holding it all back.
I'm scared a snake's gonna jump out of this nest.
The dam holds back 600 billion gallons of water.
If that thing busts right now, we're done.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Bagnell Dam. This 148-foot tall concrete gravity dam generates hydroelectric power to 42,000 homes. It also holds back the waters, creating the Lake of the Ozarks.
I didn't want to say it in front of Reese. I was reading they found 2 piranhas in the lake, and they found a baby an alligator in this lake.
It's probably good that we're letting him play near the edge of the river then.
The Lake of the Ozarks doesn't disappoint. What a lovely spot to come and enjoy time with family, old friends, and make new ones. We'll certainly be back. The sun was setting. Tomorrow we'll be heading on, but for tonight, this is perfect. Thanks for watching. Coming up,
Kansas Monument.
we're heading west and getting dirty while exploring ancient sites.
We'll keep trying.
Yeah, we'll deal with that little issue. And we'll take you on a hike through some American history.
This is what they walked on, dudes.
Not to mention this place.
I got covered in mud.
This is gonna be a good one.
They give you a navigation, a map, and tell you to go. That's South Dakota, can you believe that?
Oh, that's crazy.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.